Hey, Ludo, slow down. You're eating too fast. That's yummy lunch. Mommy, Dad, look. I love that raw food. Delilah, no. No. I'm not exactly completely healed yet, tell Mommy. But I'm feeling a lot better. No more scabs or sores, only a few little boils left, which they get medicine every day. I just got my medicated bath. And as you can see now, I've been moved to the dog room. No more isolation unit because I'm no longer contagious. Okay, that's enough. Shake, shake, shake. Tell him, I can shake that booty. Yeah, I'm in a pink cage, but that won't last. I'll be transitioning to the big pen as soon as the little sore I got on my ear heals, which it should be very soon. As you can see, my coat is growing again, slowly but surely. It's been only 4 short months and only a couple of weeks after I have that flare that make me sick. And thank you for seeing my little video. When I'm better in a couple of months, I will do another one. Bye.